Welcome to this complete Bali Indonesia guide. Bali, a place where the air carries the scent of incense and the sound of waves gently kissing the sandy shores. An island that's not only renowned for its picturesque landscapes and beaches, but also for its deep-rooted culture and spirituality. An enchanting paradise that merges modernity with tradition, Bali is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Brimming with majestic temples, emerald green rice terraces, mischievous monkeys and serene beaches, Bali offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure that captivates every soul that steps on its land. In this guide, we're going to dive into the top 10 things to do in Bali. From the sacred Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff to the vibrant life of Seminyak Beach, we'll uncover the magic that makes Bali a must-visit destination. Without further ado, let's embark on this exciting journey to explore the island of the gods. First stop, Uluwatu Temple, a breathtaking sea temple perched on a cliff. Imagine a location that unites natural beauty with spiritual significance, and you've got Uluwatu Temple. Nestled high on a cliff, 70 meters above the Indian Ocean, this Balinese Hindu sea temple is truly awe-inspiring. Its traditional Balinese architecture, ancient sculptures and intricate gates are a testament to the artistic talents of the Balinese people. Uluwatu is more than just a temple, it's a cultural experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky comes alive with hues of orange and red, creating a captivating backdrop for the temple. This is also when the temple's amphitheater comes to life with the iconic Kekak fire dance. This traditional dance tells the tale of the Ramayana epic, with performers enchanting visitors with their rhythmic chants and fiery performances. So, whether you're a spiritual seeker, a cultural enthusiast, or a sunset lover, Uluwatu Temple has something for everyone. This temple is a testament to Bali's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. Next, we head to the iconic Tegalalang rice terraces. A place where beauty converges with tradition, this is Bali at its most picturesque. Imagine vibrant green terraces, cascading down the hillside like emerald steps, a testament to the ingenuity of local farmers practicing centuries-old irrigation methods. These terraces are not just about the landscape, it's a living, breathing testament to the Balinese way of life. The farmers here still use traditional Balinese cooperative irrigation system known as subak. A walk down these terraces, you will witness the rhythm of life unfolding one rice paddy at a time. For the shutterbugs among us, Tegalalang offers endless opportunities. Every corner, every turn presents a new frame, a new perspective. The early morning light touching the dew-laden rice stalks or the sunset casting long shadows across the terraces, every moment is a photograph waiting to happen. A visit to Tegalalang is a serene escape into nature's grandeur. Now let's venture into the Ubud monkey forest. Hidden away in the heart of Bali's cultural capital, Ubud is a fascinating world brimming with over 700 long-tailed macaques. The Ubud monkey forest is a sanctuary for these playful creatures. As you wander through the forest, you'll feel the thrill of monkeys scampering around you, leaping from tree to tree. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a baby monkey clinging to its mother. But the forest is not just about monkeys. Nestled within the dense foliage stand three ancient temples, remnants of a bygone era, silently bearing witness to the forest's timeless rhythm. You'll find yourself surrounded by lush vegetation with over 100 species of trees creating a verdant canopy overhead. Remember, while the monkeys are accustomed to human presence, they are still wild animals. Maintain a respectful distance, avoid direct eye contact, and don't feed them. A walk in this forest is a thrilling encounter with Bali's wild side. Our journey continues to the majestic Tanah Lot Temple. Perched on a rock, this ancient marvel is surrounded by the Indian Ocean's azure waves, painting a picture of solitude and serenity. It's no ordinary temple, but a significant part of Balinese mythology. Legend has it that a priest named Nirartha, who brought Hinduism to Bali, created this sacred space. Tanah Lot is more than a temple, it's an experience. Walking on the path towards it, you can feel the spiritual energy that's been a part of this place for centuries. This temple's allure doesn't end with its mythology or its offshore setting. As the sun begins to set, the sky uses a palette of oranges, pinks and purples to create a mesmerizing backdrop to this iconic silhouette. Tanah Lot's beauty and serenity make it a must-visit, but it's the blend of spirituality, nature, and the awe-inspiring sunset that makes it unforgettable. Tanah Lot is a true embodiment of Bali's spiritual harmony with nature. Time to unwind at the stylish Seminyak Beach. Seminyak, the charming beach town that's a blend of tranquility and excitement. It's a haven for those who love the finer things in life, with its high-end resorts offering unparalleled views of the Indian Ocean. For food enthusiasts, Seminyak is a paradise, boasting chic restaurants serving everything from local Balinese cuisine to international delicacies. But what makes Seminyak truly special is its electrifying nightlife. As the sun sets, the beach town transforms into a lively hub with the sounds of laughter and music filling the air. And let's not forget about the beach itself. Seminyak Beach is a mecca for surfers, with its consistent waves offering an adrenaline rush like no other. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a novice eager to ride your first wave, Seminyak Beach is the place to be. Seminyak Beach is where Bali's fun and sophistication meet. A visit here promises an unforgettable experience, striking the perfect balance between relaxation and adventure. Next, we conquer the mighty Mount Batur. Now imagine this, waking up well before the crack of dawn and embarking on a 2-hour trek to the peak of an active volcano. The journey may be a challenge, but isn't that what adventure is all about? As you ascend, the path becomes a mix of rough terrains, but every step brings you closer to the breathtaking panoramic view waiting at the top. And trust me, the sight of the sun rising over the clouds, painting the sky with shades of gold, pink and orange is worth every bit of effort. But the fun doesn't stop there. How about a unique breakfast experience? Imagine having your eggs cooked, not in a traditional kitchen, but on the volcanic steam of Mount Batur itself. Now that's a breakfast story you won't forget. A trek on Mount Batur is a rewarding challenge for adventure seekers. So, are you ready to conquer the mighty Mount Batur? Off to the offshore paradise of Nusa Penida. This gem of Bali is a haven of untouched beauty, a place that time seems to forget. Picture this, majestic coastal cliffs that kiss the azure sea, their ruggedness softened by a blanket of lush greenery. The island is renowned for its vibrant marine life. Imagine swimming alongside manta rays and sea turtles, or snorkeling amidst a spectacular coral reef, alive with the colors and movement of 1,000 different species. But Nusa Penida's crowning glory is the breathtaking Keling King Beach, a secluded white sandy beach tucked away at the bottom of a steep cliff formation shaped like a T-Rex. Yes, you heard it right, a T-Rex. It's as if nature herself decided to play a bit of a prank, giving us a prehistoric reminder amidst all this tropical splendor. Nusa Penida is Bali's untouched gem waiting to be explored. So, don't just stand there, let's dive into the adventure. Back to mainland Bali, we explore the sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary. This remarkable place is not just a tourist hotspot, but also a crucial spiritual and conservation center. The sanctuary is deeply rooted in Balinese Hinduism, serving as a place of worship, meditation, and tranquility. Now let's talk about the real stars of the show, the monkeys. The sanctuary is home to over 600 long-tailed macaques. These cheeky residents are more than just inhabitants. They are considered sacred and play a significant role in the spiritual life of the sanctuary. Surrounding this unique combination of spirituality and wildlife is a lush rainforest, providing an enchanting backdrop. Walking through this verdant oasis, you'll be captivated by the native flora, including the majestic banyan trees and the tranquil dragon's blood trees. A visit to this sanctuary is a delightful mix of nature, spirituality, and adventure. We now head to the revered Tita Empul temple. Nestled in the heart of Bali, this place of worship is far more than just stone and water. It's a testament to the island's rich spiritual heritage. The temple is renowned for its holy spring, believed by locals to possess purifying properties. As we tread softly on the sacred ground, we witness the purification rituals, each one a mesmerizing ballet of devotion and faith. Every day, pilgrims and visitors alike plunge into the cool, clear waters, immersing themselves fully, their heads bowed in reverence. Each dip, a physical manifestation of spiritual cleansing, each prayer, an intimate conversation with the divine. Tita Empul Temple's significance in Balinese Hinduism is profound. It's a place where heaven, earth, and people meet, a place of harmony and balance. The temple is a living, breathing testament to the deeply held beliefs and traditions that shape Bali's unique cultural identity. Tita Empul offers a profound insight into Bali's spiritual traditions. Finally, we conclude our journey at the bustling Kuta Beach. This isn't just any beach, mind you. Kuta Beach is the beating heart of Bali's surf scene, a haven for wave riders from all corners of the globe. With its generous swells and warm waters, It's no wonder why surfers can't seem to get enough of this place. But the allure of Kuta Beach extends beyond the surf. The beachfront is teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry of glowing beach bars, bustling market stalls, and lively street performers. It's a place where the energy is palpable, and the rhythm of life is as ceaseless as the rolling waves. As the day winds down, the beach transforms into a stage for nature's most spectacular performance. Imagine watching the sun set over the Indian Ocean, painting the sky with hues of gold, pink, and orange. It's a sight that never fails to take your breath away. Kuta Beach is the perfect place to end a memorable Bali adventure. So there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Bali. From the ethereal beauty of the Uluwatu Temple, perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, to the lush green expanses of the Tegalalang rice terraces, we've swung with the monkeys in the Ubud monkey forest and felt the spiritual energy at the Tanah Lot Temple. We've relaxed on the sandy shores of Seminyak Beach, climbed the majestic Mount Batur, and explored the stunning natural beauty of Nusa Penida. We visited the sacred monkey forest sanctuary, bathed in the holy waters of the Tita Empul temple, and basked in the sun at Kuta Beach. Each location unique, each offering a different slice of Bali's multifaceted charm. Bali, with its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality, awaits your visit. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Until next time, safe travels.